I'm back with another video for you guys today. This one's going to be a makeup tutorial, and if you're new, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any other videos. And if you're not new, welcome back. Guys, for today's makeup tutorial, I am going to be using a new palette that I got from Ulta. This palette just kind of stood out to me when I first saw it and just had to get it. I haven't used it yet because I wanted to film this video for you guys. And this is kind of what it looks like. I'm going to be using a bunch of different colors from this palette. Let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Alright guys, so first what I'm going to be using is my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. So with this foundation you don't need to apply a lot. I usually just add some to my forehead, my cheekbones, and then blend it out evenly. So the next thing that I'm going to be using is my Too Faced Primed Poreless Skin Smoothing Pressed Powder. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face on top of the foundation. Next, after I apply the pressed powder, is my Physicians Formula Bronzing Powder. You can find this in any local Walmart. I've been using it for quite some time now. I usually like to apply most of this bronzer to my cheekbones to kind of give it that contour effect. Next, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Peach Glow Palette. I'm only using one color out of this palette because I really like the last one here. It gives you that highlight and it's so pretty. Palette also smells really, really good, and I usually just apply this over my bronzer to my cheekbones to give it that extra highlight. This is the Smashbox Crystalized Limited Edition highlighter I got from Ulta as well. This I'm just going to apply over my cheekbones. So I won't go into too much detail on my eyebrows. I don't get a lot of time to work on them, nor do I want to spend a lot of time on my eyebrows. So I usually just pencil them in and then shade them in with my Blink Eyebrows powder. And also I'll use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation as a concealer to kind of even them out and outline them a little bit. Next, I'll be using a brush just like this one to kind of, I usually use it to pull the inner portion of my eyebrows up. A lot of people just like to blend them all the way across, but I don't have time to do that. So a quick method for this is just using the brush to pull them up and then make them blend in. Now I'm going to be putting on my tape to make my eyeshadow lined up. I'll also be using this L'Oreal liquid liner that I got from a Walmart. And now it's time to use my Venus palette. Base color is going to be this blank canvas color at the bottom here. It's going to be applying that all over the eyelid here. Next, I'll be going in with this color called Scallop. It's this blush pink color, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease area. Next, I'll be using a color called Flora for the crease as well. I'll also be applying this color to my crease area, and it's going to help the makeup stand out later on in the process. It's like I'm whole again. Isn't that a sign? I should speak my mind. I've said those words before. And with the color Ethereal, I'm going to be using this on the upper portion of my crease area. Color I am going to be applying Inspire, and it's going on the crease area all across the crease. Now with an angled brush, I was going to be applying Fresca on the inner portion of my eyelid. However, I just didn't feel like applying concealer to make it pop out, so I do apologize. And then with the Celestial, I'm going to be applying this in the outer corner of my eye to give it that smoky effect. Now the reason I've mentioned the James Charles palette is because these colors that I have I'm putting on right now I've had over the past couple of months, and I figured the same colors you can find in the James Charles palette. I would just show you guys what the colors are and then just reference that palette if you do want to also purchase these colors. So with this dark green color, I'm going to be applying it on the bottom. That's going to help my blue eyes stand out more. And then I'm using this loose gold powder glitter to put on the inner portion of my eyelid to kind of give it that pop that it needed, since I didn't want to use concealer. So next I'll be using my Naked palette with the darkest color in the palette. I'm going to be applying this over my eyeliner, which is going to help it look more smoky and that dramatic effect to the eyelid.
You know me the best, you know my worst, see me hurt but you don't judge. That right there is
that same color in the Naked palette, I'll be applying it down here. And now that I took off my tape, I'll be just touching up my highlighter with that Crystalized limited edition highlighter.
I've said those words before.
So this is the brand that I use for my lashes. Eyeliner is the only lash I'll be using at all when you see me do makeup tutorials. I really like these lashes. They're so soft, and I really like how small they are because normally I can't find decent lashes. Next I'll be going in with my Clinique mascara. I recently just tried this mascara at Ulta and I ended up liking it, so I bought it. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using my Kylie Jenner Birthday Edition lipstick. I like this lipstick, it's a neutral color. And then over the lipstick, I'm going to be applying my Ulta Lip Pumping Glitter Lip Gloss. If you guys really like this tutorial, this is the final look. And be sure to subscribe so you can find more videos like this one on my page. Thanks for watching.